Welcome to the Speak English, your friendly guide to speaking English easily, gently and confidently. Speaking in English can feel scary sometimes. You may feel nervous, shy or unsure. Maybe you worry about making mistakes or that others will laugh. But remember this: English is just a language, not a test. It is for connecting, for expressing your thoughts, and for building a better future. And anyone can learn it step by step, one word at a time. In this gentle guide, we'll walk together and learn how to speak English naturally and confidently. Whether you are a beginner or someone who wants to improve, this guide is for you. Before we begin, let's ask a simple question. Why do you want to speak in English? To get a better job? To travel? To talk with friends? To learn from books or videos? To feel confident in school or college? Take a moment and think. Your reason is your motivation. Keep it in your heart. Whenever you feel tired or stuck, remember your reason. It will give you strength. At the Speak English channel, we believe in slow, kind learning. No pressure, no fear. Just you, your voice, and small steps. To speak English well, you need to work on 4 main skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. But don't worry, we will focus mainly on listening and speaking in this guide. That's what most learners want, to talk freely and understand others. Here's a secret. Speaking improves by listening. Yes, when you listen more, you speak better. That's why even babies learn to speak only after months of listening. If you want to speak fluently, listen to English every day. Start with easy things: children's stories, slow English podcasts, English songs with subtitles, simple English YouTube channels like the Speak English. Listen and repeat. This is called shadowing. It means you hear a sentence and say it with the speaker. Example, you hear, "How are you?" You say, "How are you?" with the same tone. Do this 10 to 15 minutes daily. Slowly your mouth and mind will start working together. You are training your brain. You don't need a partner to start speaking. Speak to yourself, in front of a mirror, while cooking, when walking, before sleeping. Say simple things. I am brushing my teeth. I like tea more than coffee. Today, I will study English for 10 minutes. The more you use English, the more comfortable you become. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. It shows you are learning. Many people learn only words, but speaking needs sentences. Let's take an example. Word, water. Sentence, can I have a glass of water, please? When you learn whole sentences, your brain remembers how English works. So instead of learning just go, try, I want to go home. Let's go shopping. Can we go now? Use simple everyday sentences. Repeat them, speak them aloud, write them down. Use them in real life. If you find a friend who is also learning, great. Practice together for 10 to 15 minutes every day. You can ask and answer questions, talk about your day, role play like restaurant conversations. If no partner, try language exchange apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, Cambly, or watch our videos on the Speak English. You don't need perfect grammar, you need practice. Use tools that help you learn gently. Here are some ideas. YouTube channels. Watch simple English videos like the Speak English, where we speak slowly with subtitles. Subtitled movies and shows. Watch English shows with English subtitles. Repeat lines, copy tone and pronunciation. Flashcards and notes. Write 5 new phrases every day on cards or your phone. Revise before sleep. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice. Speak a topic for 1 minute. Listen again. This helps you hear and correct yourself. Some people try to speak fast. That's not necessary. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is ease. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Take pauses. Smile when you speak. Relax. If someone doesn't understand, say, "Let me try again. Can I say it in a different way?" And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we all learn. Fear is the biggest block in speaking English.
You may think, what if I'm wrong?
What if they laugh? What if I forget words?
But ask yourself, what if I succeed?
What if I speak well? What if people respect me for trying?
Confidence comes with time. Keep practicing. Trust yourself. You are doing better than you think.
Try to mix English into your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Think in English. Talk to your pets or plants in English. Keep a diary in English. The more English you live with, the faster you improve.
Example morning routine.
Wake up. Good morning. Brush teeth. I am brushing my teeth. Breakfast. I'm eating eggs today. Work, study. Let me finish this task. Even 5 minutes of speaking like this helps your brain build strong habits. Here are some useful phrases you can learn today. Situation English sentence. Waking up. I just woke up. Asking time. What time is it? At a shop. How much is this? Making a request. Can you help me, please? Talking about food. I like spicy food. Asking for help. Can you repeat that, please? Saying goodbye. See you later. Learn 5 to 6 new phrases every day. Use them in real life. Learning a new language takes time. Some days you will do great. Some days may feel slow. But that's okay. Be kind to yourself. Smile when you speak. Clap for yourself after practice. Say, I am improving. Say, I can speak English. At the Speak English, we want you to enjoy the journey, not fear it. Many learners want to speak perfect English, but here's a secret. Native speakers also make mistakes, so don't worry about grammar all the time. Instead, focus on being understood. Focus on expressing your feelings. Focus on building connection. English is not a test, it's a tool for life. At the Speak English, we are with you at every step. We offer daily use sentences, situational English, like at school, at a shop, at home, speaking practice tips, real conversations, soft-spoken English practice. You can listen, repeat, speak, and smile all in one place. We want to help you grow gently. So join us, speak with us, learn with us. Let's grow together. Dear learner, we want to tell you something from the heart. You are doing great. You are learning every day. You are brave for trying. Speaking in English is not about being perfect. It's about being real. Be kind, be regular, and be patient. You will speak fluently, just give it time. Start today. Speak something. Smile. And say to yourself, yes, I can speak in English. We are here with you, the Speak English team.